Hello, fifth standard students. Your last exercise 2.7 in this exercise. It is called Bodemus rule. See, BODMAS, all brackets. It is a full form. B means bracket, O means off, D means division, M multiplication, A addition, S subtraction. This is the rule for solving the problems. Your first main question is simplify the following problems. This rule you have to keep it in mind. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Bodemus rule. In this A question, 2800 minus 400 into bracket 350 divided by 50, close the bracket. First rule is what? You should remove the bracket. So again you have to write solution. Write the given question again. Next what you have to do? You should remove this bracket. This bracket. First division is there. 2800 minus 400 into, inside the bracket what is given? 350 divided by 50. So 350 divided by 50, like this you should write. Next step, 2800 minus 400 into 350 divided by 50 means 7. So this bracket is gone. Next what? After removing bracket, off is not there here. O means off is not there. Division just now finished. Now next is multiplication. See here, multiplication. Into is there. You should multiply these two. So next step is 2800 as it is minus, multiply these two. 400 into 7. It is 2800 only. Afterwards, after multiplication, addition is there. Here no addition is given. Next you must go to subtraction. So minus is there, subtraction. 2800 minus 2800 is nothing but 0. Similarly, B question. This is the question given. Whatever the question is given, first you should remember the rule. You should remove the bracket first. If off is there, next step is you should remove the off. Afterwards, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. This is the serial wise you have to go. Write the given question again. Solution. Write the first what is given in the question. Full. Afterwards, any bracket is there? Yes. Remove the bracket. You should remove the bracket. Whatever is there inside the bracket, you should solve and the bracket will be removed. So, for that you should write all same 9210 plus 648 divided by 8 into, see what is there inside the bracket? 2015 minus 999. Subtraction you must do. 2015 minus 999 is 1016. So this bracket is gone. Next step is what? Off. See here, after bracket O is off. Here you are not seeing any OF off. So remove, not necessary. Next is division. D means division. Is there any division? Yes, it is there. So next step is what? You have to divide these two. For that is equal to, put is equal to and write the same 9210 plus as it is. These two you have to divide. 648 divided by 8 is 81. Is nothing but 81. Into is there, into 1016. After division what is there? M, multiplication. See, after division multiplication. So now you have to, next step is you have to multiply these two numbers. So first is equal to put and write this same as it is. 9210 plus as it is. These two you have to multiply and write. 81 into 1016 is nothing but 82,296. Multiply and write here. Afterwards, multiplication is, after a multiplication, addition is there. Is there any addition here? See, yes, because plus means addition. You have to add these two numbers. 9210 plus 82,296 is equal to how much? 91,506. Afterwards, subtraction is given. Yes. Is there any subtraction here? No. This is a final last step. It is. This is the answer. 91,506 is the answer. So this is how you have to solve this exercise. C question last. 10,146 divided by 19 bracket again divided by 2 plus 15 into 48, like this full question you are given. Solution, write the given question first. Whatever is given in the question, this is the first step you have to write. Next you must follow the rule. Bracket remove. Whatever is there inside the bracket, first you should remove this. So 10,146 divided by 19 you must do. You will get to 534. So the bracket is gone. 534. Immediately next to that division sign is there. Put division sign. 2 as it is. All the same thing. As it is you should write full. After that, so we have first step we have removed the bracket. Next is after bracket off. Is there any off here? No. Next after off, division. So you have to division is there or not, you must see here. Yes, division is there. See, this is the division sign. You have to divide these two first. 534 divided by 2. You must divide and write. How much you will get? 267. Plus this as it is full you should write again. After division, what is there? Multiplication. This is a rule. After division, multiplication you should do. So this is, you must see here, multiplication is there or not. Yes, it is there, multiplication. 15 into 48 is there. So step what you have to do? 267 as it is you must write. Put plus as it is. Here you should multiply these two. 15 into 48 you will get 720. So this 720 you are writing here. Afterwards as it is minus 440 plus 100 you should write. After multiplication, what is the rule next? Addition. So addition means how many digits are there plus numbers? 267 plus 720. Here also plus 100 is there. So these three digits make one line. 267 plus 720 plus 100. Afterwards minus 440. So that it will addition you can do. So 267 plus 720 plus 100. How much you will get? 1087 minus 440. So last step is what? Subtraction. After addition, subtraction. Subtract these two numbers. 1087 minus 440 you will get 647. This is how you have to solve this problem. This will complete your exercise and also this chapter. So go through the chapter, and this exercise is solved on basis of the rule, Bodamas rule. This you must remember, Bodama, BODMAS, bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. This is how you should come up. Follow this rule and solve the problems. Understand the solution and write neatly in your CW. This will complete your second chapter. Understood? Later, afterwards, after completing notes, we'll start third chapter. Understand the solution and write neatly in your CW.